So we are now back to having a look at accounts receivable. This time, rather than doing a sequence check to see that it's all in proper order, we want to see if there's any duplicates or gaps on this data or in this data. So what I'm going to do is go again to the ref node column, and I'm going to run, first off, I'm going to run duplicates. This is going to tell me if there's any double ups of those reference numbers. Wow, there are a lot. Let's rerun that. What have I done wrong? I haven't given it criteria to run with. So what I'm going to do is I want to only check invoice numbers. Money coming into the organisation. If it's duplicated, maybe someone's trying to fake an invoice. Look at that, no duplicates. The other duplicates are other types of records. I might just go back into that, remove my if. What you can do is you can click on these hyperlinks and I'll take you straight to the record here. So here is invoice 212297 for 737.36, and then there were two payments made paying down the same invoice. So basically with this table, if I added up everything that is refno of 212297, I'm going to end up with the total value outstanding on that invoice. 200 plus 53736, they paid twice. And here's that equals the total. So the total amount owed of that invoice is 0. So that's okay. I can remove that filter, get back to the whole thing. Here's my duplicates. Going back here, I'm going to give it an if of invoice, click OK, click OK. No duplicates. Hooray, no doubled up invoices, which is exactly how this data should work. Close that down. We also need to do gaps. Are there any missing invoices? So we don't have invoices that shouldn't be there. Do we have invoices that should be there but aren't? So we're looking for gaps on our data. Here's our reference, so that's what we want to check. Let's click OK. Here are our gaps. I haven't told it that I want invoices only, so let's do that again. Click verify to make sure that we're happy with it. We are, click OK, click OK. We get fewer, okay? And what we're going to find is 162 gaps, 7,506 missing items. That's on the reference number. So together, what that tells me is I've got some gaps here, and maybe I don't understand the data. And I suspect that's what's going on here, because that is an awful lot of missing invoices. Normally you wouldn't expect to see this, but what I would expect, remember we talked about the bursting control in classes? We've printed off invoices, the printer's gone screwy, it's eaten up all of our invoice numbers, our pre-numbered stationery. I should be able to find where that stationery ended up. There should be a scrunched up record somewhere. So that's all of that. There's all my missing invoices and my gaps. There's no duplicates. There are 162 gaps, and I want someone to explain to me why that is. And I would do that by talking with management, but I'd also look for some verification outside of that if I truly want to understand and test it. It would direct my attention to those missing items. Close that down. On that analyze, we've also got duplicates. Fuzzy duplicates is a wildcard search and summarize and histograms. We've done a little bit of that already, and we'll do some of that later in later weeks. So that takes care of exercise number 6.